everyone, Tanya with KB Riley, also known as Karen Burniston Pop-Up Dies, here with a little sneak peek of the Tanya's Take for September. I have changed the Tanya's Take up a bit. The kit used to be you would get everything to make the card on the front of the die I was featuring. Nope, not anymore. Now the kit includes all of the product that you need to make the card I am making during the event. Look at that. So you are going to get all of the papers to make this amazing castle. Also, you will get the die in your kits, and you'll also have an option to buy the kit without the die if you already have it, of course. But you will get the die. You will get the papers for this kit. Anything that is die cut on this card that's not included in the castle pop-up, we're going to pre-cut for you. And I also give you a detailed sheet that shows you exactly what pieces to cut out of what colors and the assembly instructions as well. So make sure you head out to KarenBurniston.com, grab your Tanya's Take kit, and I will see you on the Oak events on September 19th.